Speakers hum low as we ease through the pass. Coolers in the back and the sun sinking fast. The anchor's dropped, boats tied side to side. Speakers blasting Skinnered in the velvet night. It's Inlet Nights where the salt air sticks, flames in a circle and beer cans click. Girls in cut-offs dancing under dock lights, splashing and laughing in the tide. We ain't got much, but it sure feels right, living wild on these inlet nights. Someone's got a grill, smoking shrimp and dogs, pontoon rocking with a couple beach logs. Guitar strum soft, then louder again. Voices rise up in a hometown hymn. It's Inlet Nights where the salt air sticks, flames in a circle and beer cans click. Girls in cut-offs dancing under dock lights, splashing and laughing in the tide. We ain't got much, but it sure feels right, living loud on these inlet nights. Drifting off slow till the stars all fade. Dock ropes loose, but the memories stay. But we're feeling high, running free on these inlet nights. Still hear the laughter, the splashes, the songs. Inlet nights roll on.